Okay, foreign exchange, money exchange, something that comes up pretty often on your leaving cert. Let's see. A ticket for a concert in Wales cost £59.50. Using the exchange rate of €1 is equal to 0.85 of a pound, find the cost of the ticket, of the concert ticket in euro. And yes, there is loads of different ways that you can solve that. I'm not saying my way is the only way. However, this way is pretty easy, pretty straightforward in the meaning you don't have to give it much thought. Because with any kind of conversion, because that's what it is, conversion, sometimes we multiply, sometimes we divide. And sometimes the way the question is presented can be a little bit confusing. Well, what do I do? Do I multiply here or do I divide? So that's the reason why this method kind of bypasses that issue. The most important thing about it is comparing like with like. So we have €1 and that is 0.85 pounds. So therefore my next line has to be the same, euro to pounds. So what do I know about the ticket? Ticket is 59.50 pound, and therefore I don't know how many euro is that. How do we solve that? We cross multiply, and it doesn't matter which side you will start your multiplication, make absolutely no difference. So 1 multiplied by 59.50, and that will equal x multiplied by 0.85. So in order to find the value of x, not x multiplied by a number, we divide both sides of the equation by 0.85. So like I said, sometimes we divide, sometimes we multiply. But here in this way, it will always just work itself out. And then we put that in the calculator and we get that the ticket is actually €70. Okay, and then let's have a look at quickly just the next part of that question 9. Liam is a member of the Venue Loyalty Club. So he gets a discount of 20% on all tickets. So that means he doesn't pay full price. He pays only 80%, isn't it? Because 20 is a discount. He buys 8 tickets for the concert. So therefore we have to work out the total cost of 8 tickets. So normally it will be 8 tickets by €70, but he only pays 80% of that. So 0.8 or multiply by 80%, however you want to go. And again, in your calculator, press equal, and we get is €448. Again, I can't stress that enough. This conversion, it's really easy, really simple, and it is applicable not just foreign exchange, but a lot of conversion that can be done.